Unpack your bags and turn the key, a brand new start for you and me down in Kingwood, where the tall trees grow. Trailwood Village has that friendly glow. Sunny Houston days or a little breeze, we're finding comfort and a life of ease at La Jolla. The community shines bright, a Laredo vista makes the morning feel right. Welcome home, come step inside, with Corinthian Asset Management as your guide. From the Texas trails to the coast so blue, we got the perfect place waiting just for you. Oh, feel the vibe, let the good times start, living our best life right from the heart. Now pack it up, let's head out east, where the Gulf Coast offers a beautiful feast. Biloxi waters and the warm sunshine at Palm Isle, everything is looking mighty fine. Or pull on up to the water's edge. Edgewater Point is a beautiful pledge, coastal living with a gentle breeze, putting every single worry straight at ease. Welcome home, come step inside, with Corinthian Asset Management as your guide. From the Texas trails to the coast so blue, we got the perfect place waiting just for you. Oh, feel the vibe, let the good times start, and living our best life right from the heart. Houston, Laredo, or by the MS shore, we're giving you comfort and so much more.